let's see.
How many builders?
2, 4.
Let's together?
do Peace and Justice.
Peace and Justice.
Which signs are we building today?
Cool, got my pen, got my little tab saying that I'm building a lightsaber. I'm excited for this. I know, I'm finally gonna get one.
My friends, welcome, welcome. Hi friends, welcome. Very good, welcome my friends. Very good, welcome my friends.
Right, sons, right this way, down to Darren, please. He will direct you to your station.
Welcome to the workshop. I apologize for rushing you in like that. With the arrival of the First Order on our planet, we have to take precautions. However, now that you are here, please take a look around. Take it all in, builders. Yes, I know what some of you are thinking. It looks like a bunch of junk. But rest assured, it holds so much more value. First though, let me take a step back and introduce ourselves. This is Samita, this is Darren. My name is Darush, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now, as Gatherers, we travel across the galaxy, from the ruins of Jedi to the lush jungles of Devron, searching for relics, both light and dark. Not for ourselves, of course, but for all of you. We do this to keep the knowledge of the Force alive, for we believe by preserving our past, we can create a brighter future for us all. You see, out there, we're currently living some troubled times. Continued conflict between the Resistance and First Order. That struggle's made its way to our very doorsteps here in Batu. But even in these darkest times, heroes will rise. Heroes like Luke Skywalker. Have you guys heard of him? Yes. Very good. It's a long story, otherwise such a long story. Now, Luke in his past not only brought peace, but hope. Hope, which is now being given to us by Rey, who's inspired the galaxy by answering a call for help. The very same call you have all chosen to answer, which has led you here. So you can build this, the lightsaber. Now the lightsaber is elegant and mysterious. It has been wielded by our most powerful heroes and their greatest rivals. Forging a lightsaber is thought to be a lost art that we are desperately trying to preserve. Being the windows, the soul of the builder, your lightsaber will be the conduit that allows the Force to flow freely through you. It is more than a weapon. It is an extension of your very self. But to forge a lightsaber requires something small, rare, and powerful. Builders, you'll each need a kyber crystal. Now the kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It channels and intensifies the power of the Force into a blade. This high energy is so strong that the color of your crystal will determine the color of that blade. Crystals, scarce throughout our galaxy. We are lucky enough to offer you 4 to choose from today. And we'll start with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now our spark of hope, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and the legendary Luke Skywalker himself have all channeled this color. Violet, so rare and so beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. And finally, we have red. Now some call this the crystal of power, controlled by Asajj Ventress, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about their history and their past. We're going to start your futures and your journeys. My fellow galaxies are coming by with the crystal canisters for you to make your choice. So quiet your minds and focus, and let the crystals talk to you. Once you make that selection, place your chosen crystal on the green plate in front of you, for they're not quite stable just yet. Remember, there is no right and there is no wrong. Your soul knows the color it calls for, that it yearns for. And for some of you, that crystal you're about to choose may have already chosen you. Every story, every legend has begun with a single step, builders. Choosing your kyber crystal is your first step. So choose wisely. Very good. Thank you both. And now, for your hilts. Your hilts will be the foundation of your lightsaber. It will be the center of control. And as an added bonus, protect your hands and fingers. You're going to ask that disintegration, which is pretty important in my personal opinion. I like having both in my hands. Now, builders, please look at the pieces in front of you. Pick them up if you like. Get to know them. For soon, these very determine your hilts. Beautiful, aren't they? But now, together and as one, let's explore them, shall we? Starting on the leftmost side, that is your chassis. That will house your kyber crystal. Rows 1 and 2 are your sleeves. Row 3 are the emitters to the very top. Row 4, end caps to the very bottom. And row 5, 2 matching sets of activation plates. Now, I will be teaching and guiding with the assistance of my fellow gatherers, builders. Are we ready? Yes. Very good. Pick up that chassis and let's build. With that chassis in your hand, you'll see vertical vents and a hollow opening. Make sure it's pointing towards the ceiling. In the center is a small chamber. Put your feet to the roof of that chamber, push up and down. You'll discover a spring plate. Once you've found that spring plate, builders, grab your kyber crystal. With one hand, push up on that spring plate. With the other, put the base of that crystal to the base of that chamber. Tilt it slightly so it's standing straight and tall, point to point inside that center chamber. If done correctly, your crystal should sing briefly and it should glow. If it doesn't, please let any of my fellow gatherers know. If you need help, please ask. This is the most difficult part of the entire process. But your crystal is in place. Raise your chassis up so you can see them resonate with you. Very nice, beautiful, wonderful. We'll give you guys those of you a moment, and as my friend has said, that moment has passed. We're going to move on to row 5. On the opposite side, that is activation plate. Choose one of the 2 matching sets. Doesn't matter which set you choose, builders. Just don't mix and match.
Okay.
Once you make that selection, flip them over. You'll see one has a blue rectangle, the other a red square. On the side of your chassis, you'll see those same symbols. We are going to play a matching game. Putting that red square to the red square, cover half of your crystal. Blue rectangle will go to blue rectangle, cover the other half. You'll snap both pieces in place. Once you've done that, try out that switch by sliding up. You'll hear a misfire sound, which is a good thing, at least at this stage. Red to red, blue to blue, square to square, rectangle to rectangle.
Yeah, turning on.
One more time, slide up to that misfire sound. If you don't hear one, let us know. I am hearing a lot of misfires though, so we're ready on to rows 1 and 2, our sleeves. There are 4 sleeves in front of you, builders. You'll be choosing 2. Any 2 will do, so choose your 2 favorites. It will not matter, but what does matter though, builders, look up here for a moment. Let's see, each sleeve has a thick metal band on one side. That thick metal band must go towards the center. Whether you place it on top or on bottom, if you go on either side, but the thick metal band must go towards the center. You will push and twist to lock your sleeve in place. Placing one on top and one on bottom. If it helps, mimic the motion of raining water through cloth to lock those sleeves in place.
Am I doing it right?
Thick metal bands are going towards the center, one on top and one on bottom, builders. Push and twist motion to lock in
applying
place.
pressure. Pick one more for the
If
bottom.
done correctly, your chest will be the similar to mine. 2 sleeves, one on each side. Metal band towards the center. Perfectly still. And it looks like those have our sleeves in place. So we're ready to move on to row 3, our emitters. Choose one of the 2 emitters in row 3, builders. Place your chosen emitter on top of a hollow open end. You'll place it on top, you'll turn, and you guessed it, turn to lock it in place. Again, you're going to choose an emitter from row 3, place off the hollow open end, and you'll turn to lock it in place.
It's pretty heavy.
Speaking of turning, we're going to turn that chassis completely upside down to reveal a black power cell. To protect that power cell, we're going to go to row 4 for an end cap. We are ending with that end cap, placing that over that power cell, letting gravity guide you, turn and twist to lock it in place. Once you've done that build, you should have a complete build in your hands. If you're happy with it, place it in front of you on the hilt stand so my fellow gatherers and I can come by for a quick inspection. That's why I'm so light.
When George tells you to activate, just slide up on that switch. Then you're going to deactivate only when he tells you to. We're all going to do it together at the same time. Good job.
Did it. Not bad.
Very good. Fantastic job, each and every one of you. But now I must ask all of you, please take a huge step back for me, as far back as you can all safely go. My fellow gatherers are coming by to place your hilts in our crystal stabilization chambers. In the past, such chambers are not necessary. But as we the gatherers are not force sensitive, we must rely on technology. Technology don't have its bugs and issues, as you can tell from my walls and ceiling, but everything should go well this time. I have complete faith in our team. Feeling comfortable, Jeff?
Yes.
Good. I'm done. No panic, I definitely know how to fix this. Steph, how to fix this.
Many parts there were. Now, join we are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Wow. Master Yoda, builders, the force in this room is truly incredible. For together, you summon Master Yoda's presence. And he's right. Now is the time to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. So in a moment, and as one, I'll have you take that step forward. You'll place your hands firmly on those hilts, and together, you'll activate for the very first time. Builders, are we ready? Yeah. Take that step forward. Place your hands firmly on those hilts, and together, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. For you have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now raise them high and raise them proud. Beautiful. Please lower and deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but leave you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. You're each unique and amazing as the lightsabers you hold in your hands. And what you hold in your hands is remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the ground. So we're pleased to present a saber sheath to you as you depart. Now, unfortunately, our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's time for all of you to go out there, make your marks in the galaxy. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be telling all of your stories. Safe journeys, and till the spire! Congratulations, friends, all the way down and through for me. Safe journeys, each and every one of you.
Is this so cool?
Happy birthday, dear Logan. Thank you, friends. Safe travels. Safe travels.
Thank you.
No one knows.
Okay, being able to do it personally, amazing experience. This is amazing.
That's how I felt. Chill, a little bit of chills, right?
Oh, I did. This is a religious experience. You have to experience it if you have the funds for it, of course. All right, we're good.